Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crash Team Racing Nitro fueled on PC. While this fantastic kart racer was never officially released for computers, don't worry. You can still enjoy all the high-speed action by using a Nintendo Switch emulator. This clever software allows your personal computer to mimic the console's hardware, letting you run the game smoothly and efficiently. It's a straightforward process to get started. When it comes to emulating Nintendo Switch games, two names stand out: Yuzu and Ryujinx. Both of these emulators are incredibly popular and well-regarded within the community for their robust features and consistent updates. They each offer excellent compatibility with a wide range of titles, including Crash Team Racing Nitro fueled. Take a moment to explore their official websites and see which one best suits your system's capabilities and preferences. Setting up your emulator is the next crucial step. Begin by downloading and installing either Yuzu or Ryujinx directly from their official websites to ensure you get the legitimate software. You'll also need to acquire the game's digital files, often called ROMs, and the necessary console firmware. Once those are in place, spend some time configuring your game controller and fine-tuning the graphics settings to achieve your desired visual experience. To get the best possible experience playing Crash Team Racing Nitro fueled, optimizing performance is key. Make sure your personal computer meets or ideally exceeds the recommended system specifications for your chosen emulator. Experiment with both the in-game graphics settings and the emulator's own visual configurations to find a balance between fidelity and smooth frame rates. Also, remember to keep your emulator and graphics card drivers updated for continuous improvements and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.